Look closely at this video showing a large caterpillar rapidly eating through the edge of a vibrant green leaf. You spend weeks carefully watering, checking new shoots, and waiting patiently for healthy growth. Then, without warning, you walk outside to find curled leaves, jagged holes, or a spreading white powdery layer coating the stems. The immediate instinct is often to reach for chemical pesticides, but those harsh formulas cause serious collateral damage. They leave toxic residues on your vegetables and actively destroy the beneficial insect populations your soil actually relies on. You can protect your plants safely using simple ingredients likely already sitting in your kitchen. Today, we are going to build 3 targeted organic pest control recipes designed to neutralize specific garden threats. Here are the basic household tools you'll need for this organic arsenal: pure liquid Castile soap, a few garlic bulbs, chili powder, baking soda, and clean spray bottles. Achieving a thriving, resilient garden does not require toxic chemicals. It requires a strategic understanding of natural countermeasures. Step 1 focuses on soft-bodied insects like the aphid. These tiny, prolific pests gather in large groups on stems and new growth, feeding directly on the sap until the plant becomes too weak to thrive. To stop them, we use soap spray. This diagram shows a soft-bodied insect's cross-section, highlighting its protective lipid coating. When applied, soap compounds physically break down and dissolve that barrier. Without it, the insect rapidly loses moisture, dehydrates, and dies naturally. Formulate this by mixing exactly 1 tablespoon of pure liquid Castile soap into 1 quart of water. You must use pure mild soap. Standard kitchen dish degreasers contain harsh chemical ingredients that will strip the plant's own protective oils and cause severe chemical burns to leaves. When applying the mixture, aim the nozzle directly at the leaf undersides and tight stem joints. That is exactly where these insects hide to avoid harsh sunlight and natural garden predators. Before you spray, gently swirl the bottle to mix the ingredients. Do not shake it aggressively. Excessive foam will reduce the spray's overall effectiveness. Leveraging this precise mechanical destruction is a much safer, more immediate way to clear soft-bodied pests than waiting for systemic chemical poisons to take effect. Now we address a different kind of threat. Aggressive chewing insects, like caterpillars and beetles, bypass the sap and chew directly through the leaf, rapidly destroying the plant structure. For these pests, we create a garlic and chili spray. Instead of a lethal poison, this acts as an invisible, highly effective sensory deterrent. Here's the formula. Start by peeling 2 whole garlic bulbs and placing them in a blender, along with 2 tablespoons of chili powder and a small splash of water. Blend this until it forms a thick paste. This paste contains highly concentrated capsaicin. Make sure you do not touch your eyes or face while handling this mixture. Next, cover the container and leave it to steep overnight. A full 24 hours allows the active sulfur and spicy compounds to fully extract. The following day, strictly filter the steeped paste through a fine mesh strainer or a cloth. Removing the solid particles now will prevent them from permanently clogging your spray nozzle later. Finally, mix that concentrated, strained liquid thoroughly into 1 full gallon of water. Apply this lightly over vulnerable vegetables like cabbage and tomatoes. It works as a preventative barrier. The intense scent and spicy taste make the plant highly unattractive, keeping chewing insects away long before they begin to feed. Our final target is an invisible fungal disease. Powdery mildew is an opportunistic pathogen that thrives heavily in warm, humid environments where airflow is poor. It coats the leaves in a fine white powder. As the fungus spreads, it physically blocks sunlight, disrupts photosynthesis, and slowly starves the plant. This microscopic view shows fungal spores on a leaf, with an ambient pH gauge reading neutral. When baking soda is applied, it rapidly shifts the surface pH to an alkaline state. This sudden shift renders the environment inhospitable, forcing the spores to shrivel. To make this solution, dissolve exactly 1 tablespoon of baking soda and half a teaspoon of liquid soap completely into 1 gallon of water. Resist the urge to increase the baking soda ratio. An overdose of sodium bicarbonate will cause a toxic alkaline burn that severely damages plant tissue. Before applying the spray, physically prune away any heavily infected leaves and clear out dense areas to ensure proper airflow between your plants. By intentionally altering the surface pH of the leaves, you neutralize the specific environmental variables the pathogen needs to survive. With your mixtures ready, you need to follow precise application protocol. Poor timing can be just as destructive as the pests. Always execute a patch test first. Apply the mixture to a single leaf and enforce a strict 24-hour waiting period to verify the plant can tolerate the solution. But remember, always avoid spraying during strong midday sunlight. Heat combined with soap residue can damage leaves. Early morning or evening is always safer. Consistent observation, careful testing, and patience are the true mechanisms of any successful pest control strategy. You now have a complete functional defense system: a soap spray to dehydrate sap-sucking insects, a spicy garlic spray to repel chewing pests, and a baking soda solution to halt fungal outbreaks. Using these targeted recipes allows you to bypass expensive commercial chemicals, protect the local ecology, and guarantee your vegetables remain residue-free for harvest. Managing pests this way forces you to pay closer attention to the natural cycles of your garden and the behaviors of the organisms within it. If you want to continue learning reliable, organic cultivation strategies for your home garden, hit the subscribe button below, because the most effective tools to protect your plants are often found hidden right inside your own home.